In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to animate a smooth color transition by using the node editor. Create a UV sphere. Add a new material. We need hue and saturation, math, color ramp and gradient texture nodes. Please match my settings. These are my nodes. Press I as in India on this value. We've just added a keyframe. Go to frame 250. Change this value to 100 and press I. Play the animation to see the smooth color transition animation. This is the end of the smooth color transition tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Also, please remember to use the share button below to share this tutorial on social media. Thank you for watching.